Promoting students means advancing students to the next grade level. First graders to second graders to third graders, and so on. To promote students, click Students, Admin, Promote Students. Next, follow the steps on the screen. Ensure all classes have been concluded and final report cards have been printed. Select students you don't want to promote. Then press Promote Students. If you have EnrollMe, you'll see this additional option that says Adjust Status of Re-enrollment Students. It's best to leave it active. To learn more, see the link in the description. Lastly, you'll want to inactivate your graduated students. Since my school is K through 8th, I'm going to select grade 9, and this will make all my graduated 8th graders inactive.